a great choice today with the 2019 Ford F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, tow hitch, anti-lock braking system, navigation system, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, floor mats, cruise control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, rear defrost, universal garage door opener, premium sound system. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.